Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Here we will be doing some more acrylics. The next video we'll be doing acrylics, and then the video after that we'll be doing a builder deal. So I'm just going to keep practicing with acrylic and basically use the products I do have. I'm figuring out the way that I want to lay it, but I have learned to file down the tip because it will be a lump. Anyway, with this set, I'm still figuring out how to build a nail. Like, it's not perfect. I don't have my style down pat. So the way that I did the thumb, it ended up looking the best. And when I watched the video back, I think that's the best way. And so I only did the thumb. So just excuse and scream all you want with how I'm laying the acrylic for the first 4 nails. Again, I'm just practicing and learning little things, how I lay it, how I pat it, keeping the brush clean, keeping it wet, keeping the acrylic, like even the acrylic to monomer ratio. I'm still practicing all that, and I'll get it eventually, yes. But because of the smell, I still prefer builder gel and poly gel. I love gel. But acrylic, the time it takes to lay it, it's good. So I guess it's like I just want to practice building poly gel and gel better so that it takes less time, so that I won't really like stay in love with acrylic. I want to do all of them. Like, I'm not closing any doors. I'm open to all kinds of nail systems. My preference is just happen to be gel. But who's to say I want like acrylic next year? I might look back at this next year and be like, wow, I can't believe I love gel. You know, I think the gels is more like, I don't know, I'm still figuring it out. But anyway, I laid down polish first because, you know, most of the time with water decals, they tell you to polish the color you want. I guess I should have tested out. I don't see a difference with these could be on a white background, black background, and I think they're still going to be very pigmented. I don't think the pink made a huge difference, but it could have, and I just don't see it. So I don't know. Anyway, I cut it from that one. I showed it at the beginning. I showed the decal I used. I got these from AliExpress. I had to go and search. These came from AliExpress. So if you look at my collective haul, you'll see me talk about it. But that's where it came from. And I look back on that. I want to use it more. That brush, it came from Amazon. I like it. I used it for the whole set. I'm using Not Polished Clear, and I'm using Chisel 231. And like I said, I love Chisel. I'm gonna go back to trying other brands, and like it's all happening so fast. It's like I had to like decompress for a little bit because like all the doors are open, and that's just as intimidating as like feeling stuck. So it's just trying to put it all together or whatever. Ignore my nails. I was removing a dip set that my classmate did on my nails. They were sensitive, so I took like 3 days to take them off because ring of fire and all that. So yeah, excuse my nails. The next video I am doing that hand, so they'll look better, and I will remove the right hand, but it's a nice little simple set, and they're still stuck on. When one comes off, I'll take the rest off. I'm just letting them thug it out and let my nails breathe as long as I can from practicing on each other. But yeah, I'll be back to posting the shorts and all that. So I haven't done any of that. I'm just, like I said, taking it all in, and really can't believe like I'm watching myself do acrylic, and it's not perfect, but I just really can't believe that I'm actually building a nail with acrylic. I said it before I even tried acrylic. I said I wasn't gonna ever do acrylic. I think I said I have to look at my videos from last year. Actually, it was like Christmas I made the videos, but I didn't post them until January. Anyway, I think I said I would never, because I couldn't figure it out, and even now I still struggle with like making the ridges right there. I'm just practicing. Like, this is all my next videos. All the videos I do is just practicing. I have like no direction or ideas of the nails that I'm gonna do, and then if I do, I'll say it. But I just pick a random idea and I just go for it. And yeah, this one is like Coquette nails. I didn't have like a specific inspiration for this. I just been looking for a rose foil basically, and I wasn't finding it, so I used water decals, and I was like, why not? It's the same look, duh. And I've had these this whole time. Anyway, I really just wanted to do that. Like it seemed to put together the girly feminine theme, and I love the pastels and the soft colors and the girly feminine. Like I love all that. So I decided to do that. The next one is St. Patrick's Day. Oh my gosh, I had a brain fart. The next one is St. Patrick's Day, and then the set after that also would be a St. Patrick's Day type set, and then it'll be back to all the extra bling. Like I feel like my creativity, and it's not like I don't blame anyone specific, but the whole process of nail school and all that, it's like, you know, you're supposed to be creative and stuff, but you're supposed to have, like, it's all about foundation and doing things the right way and all that. So it's like creativity got sucked out, and I'm just trying to tap back into it and, you know, have fun with it again. So yeah, I'll be doing like things that I want to do, and not so much that what most people would like to see. It's just like I'm testing myself to make sure that I learned everything that I wanted to from school, and yeah, like slowly getting into the creativity. So just bear with me, and then I'll be back to my, like, I miss every time I miss my extra nails. Every time I saw someone in public, especially when I went to the nail store, that was the point of me going to the nail store. Every time I saw someone with like extra nails, it just felt so nostalgic. Like I miss it, and it's weird to have them on again. Like I haven't had long nails since December. Okay, it's like I put on press-ons once, maybe twice. I missed it, and it's like it's just gonna take a while for me to like get back in the group of doing it for myself and what I like to see. And yeah, I'll be making mistakes, but I enjoy seeing my growth from last year, and so I'm excited to see what this year will bring. I have a goal of reaching a small audience, yes, and that's about it. Other than that, all other things are blessings. Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, and then make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
I also like to add that I also like polygel the most because I could mold it for as long as I need to. I don't have to rush. With acrylic, I feel like I have to rush, and my instructor kept saying, take your time, but I don't feel like I could, because when I take my time, it goes dry, because, you know, I don't know, I forget that I have to rush, and then it dries out. I mean, it happened a few times already, but I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to get better, because I know most people like acrylic. I know acrylic is the strongest, but I also believe in polygel. Polygel lasts. the hand fell. Anyway, so I'm, like I said, trying to cut down on drilling time, and to be honest, the thumb was the one where I drilled the least, and I don't remember the times because it was really late when I did this one, and the next one it was really late, and I was like getting so delirious.
Girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, no more, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need